Guys, you probably don't know, but the song Zero, yes, it is made by Jack. I really don't know why it sounds like I'm singing. Okay, sorry about that. I really don't know why it's like. Okay, sorry. I don't know why it was like